morning, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Price, and today we will be reading The Little Red Hen. Have you ever heard about the Little Red Hen? Well, she's quite a busy hen. She's always working and always very helpful. But today, she wants to bake. We'll find out what she needs. So let's listen to the story, The Little Red Hen. The Little Red Hen by Nicola Baxter, illustrated by Daniel Howard. There was once a little red hen who lived on a farm. So did a cat, so did a dog, and so did a duck. One day, the little red hen was scratching in the farmyard when she saw something good to eat. So did the cat, the dog, and the duck. This is wheat. Can you say wheat? Very good. I will not eat it myself. I will plant it instead. Who will help me? Not I, said the dog. He was sleeping in his kennel. You see that? Not I, said the cat. She was sleeping in the sun. Not I, said the duck. He was swimming on the pond. I will plant this wheat myself, said the little red hen. So the little red hen did just that. She took her spade to the field. I will begin by digging the soil, she said. Can you see what the soil is? Correct, it's dirt. She planted the wheat in rows. She pushed the soil back with her little feet. I hope the wheat will grow soon, she said. Soon the wheat did begin to grow. The little red hen gave her plants plenty of water. The wheat grew tall, turned yellow in the sun. Now I must cut the wheat, said the little red hen. Who will help me? Not I, said the dog. He was eating a bone. Not I, said the cat. He was watching a mouse. Not I, said the duck. He was still on the pond. Then I will cut it, said the little red hen. So the little red hen went to the field and did it herself. Now I must take the wheat to the miller, she said. He will grind it into flour. Who will come down to the lane, to the windmill with me? Can you guess? What do you think? What do you think they're going to say? Right. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the duck. So the little red hen went to the miller herself. The miller was happy to grind the wheat. The little red hen ran home with her sack of flour. I am ready to bake some bread with this flour, she called. Who will help me? Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the duck. So the little red hen found a bowl for mixing and a tray for baking. Soon the bread was ready. "The bread smells good," said the little red hen. She put a plate with a knife and some butter, and she put it on the table. "Who will help me eat all of this bread?" she asked. Now what do you think they said, boys and girls? Guess what? They said, "I will," said the dog at once. "I will," said the cat. "I will," said the duck. But the little red hen said, "No, you will not. I will eat this with no help at all," said the little red hen. Boys and girls, that's the end of the story. The little red hen, she didn't want to share her bread at the end of the story. Why do you think so? Do you think she did the right thing? Well, what would you have done? All right. Well, thank you. Now, this is a very special book. This is a book that's just for you. Now, at the end, it has a picture dictionary. So, will you help me read all of these words before we sing our song? Now, say these words after me: bone, bowl, bread, butter, cat, dog, duck, feet, field. Does anybody remember what that is? Remember flower. And where did the dog take his rest? Yes, in the kennel. Say knife, lane, miller. He's the miller. Mouse. Plants. Can you tell me what that is? Right, a plate. Pond. Sack. Soil. What did we say the soil was? You're right. Spade. Sun. Which character, and remember the character, those are the animals or the people that were in the story that were doing things. Which character liked to lay in the sun? Right, you're correct. Table. Say table. Tray. How many words do we have left? Right, we have 3 words left. Water. Say wheat. And our last word is windmill. Thank you very much, boys and girls. Now it's time to sing our song. Thank you for listening to our story today.